So what you can also do is you can go around and then import out files directly from your Dropbox inside of your Microsoft Designer project. So to do that, you need to go around over here on the My Media section. And once you do that, over here, you can see that Dropbox is an option right here. If I were to go around and click on Dropbox, then I have an option to connect out my Dropbox right here, just like this. So once I do that, over here you can see that Dropbox is opened up right here. And what you can do is you can sign in manually, or you can sign in with your Google account or your Apple account right here. So if I were to go around and click on Google account, then I can select my Google account and my Dropbox account will be connected over here just like this. And I can access out the files over here. In my case, I got 3 images over here, so I can see all of those images. And if you have some other folders, then you would see them over here as well. Then what you can do is you can simply go around and click on upload. And what happens is that the files will be uploaded from your Dropbox account into your My Media section right here, just like this. Then you can go around and close it, and you can simply go around and now access out those pictures right here, just like this. As you can see right here, I can go around over here, bring in this picture right here, just like this as well. And then that picture is in, and then go around onto My Media, bring in this picture around over here as well. So over here on the ideas section, let's just go around and choose this right here, just like this. And then you can see that all of those images are here now, and they are arranged in a certain way. So I'm just going to go around and say my memories right here, just like this. And I'm just going to go around and say, let's say for example, my life right here, just like this. And this is what you have, and this is made out of the images that you have imported inside from your Dropbox account directly in Microsoft Designer. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.